Hi, I'm Jerry Dill at Dill's Greenhouse. It's about April 1st. It's time to do some of your cool crop vegetables. The ground's been awful wet around here, so you probably got to wait a little bit. But the cool crops really need to go in earlier than like your tomatoes and peppers. Those are more May 15th. So some of the things you can do, you can go ahead and plant your potatoes. Good time for that. They usually do that around St. Patrick's Day, but it's been kind of cold this year. Onion sets, you want to get your onion sets in. Plant those about 2 inches deep and 2 inches apart, and you'll have onions in less than 6 weeks. A lot of other things you can seed too. You can seed carrots now. You can seed your peas, your radishes, and your beets, and your lettuce. So there's a couple other things you can do right now. And it doesn't have to be done April 1st, but do it before the 1st of May. And also your cool crop vegetables like cabbage, broccoli, cauliflower, kohlrabi, all those type of things can go in as soon as we're past the really heavy freeze dates, which is by April 15th if you can.